Next exercise 5.4. So differentiate the following with respect to x. So first one is d by dx of e power x by sin x. This is simple u by v rule. So sin x into derivative of e power x is e power x minus e power x into derivative of sin x is cos x by v square sin square x. U v dash minus v u dash by v square. Next, d by dx of e power sin inverse x. It is chain rule. Derivative of e power sin inverse x is e power x, derivative is e power x. So first derivative of e power sin inverse x is sin inverse x. Next, you have to take derivative of sin inverse x. So using chain rule. So it is e power sin inverse x into derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square. So this is the derivative. D by dx of e power x cube. Same like this, only derivative of e power x cube is x cube. Again, derivative of x cube is 3x square. Sin of tan inverse e power x. So first function is the sine. So sine derivative is cos. So cos of tan inverse e power x. Next, the derivative of tan inverse e power x is 1 by 1 plus e power x whole square. So tan inverse completed. Next, the derivative of e power x is e power x. So this is equals to cos of tan inverse e power x into e power x by 1 plus e power x whole square. You can write e power 2x. Next, the fifth one, d by dx of log cos e power x. So log cos e power x. So first derivative of log is 1 by x. So 1 by cos e power x. Next, the derivative of cos is sin e power x. Next, the derivative of e power x is e power x. So minus e power x into sin by cos is tan e power x. So minus e power x into tan e power x is the derivative. Next, d by dx of e power x plus e power x square plus and so on plus e power x power 5. So derivative of e power x is e power x. E power x square is e power x square is e power x square into 2x plus and so on plus e power x power 5 is e power x power 5 into x power 5 is 5x power 4. And you can write the middle one also, e power x plus e power x square into 2x. Next, e power x cube into x cube derivative is 3x square plus e power x power 4 into x power 4 is 4x cube plus e power x power 5 into x power 5 is 5x power 4. So this is the answer. D by dx of root of e power root x. So first derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root e power root x. So root function completed. Next derivative of e power x is e power x. Next derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So e power root x by root e power 2x is 1 by 4 constant root of e power root x by x. X by root x is root, so root e power x by root x. So you can write only single root. Next, d by dx of log x. So first logarithm derivative is 1 by x, so 1 by log x. Next derivative of log x is 1 by x. cos x by log x. Simple, this is u by v rule. So log x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus cos x into log x is 1 by x by v square. So log x whole square. So this is minus sin x into log x minus cos x by x by log x whole square, or you can write by taking LCM x, you can write it. Next one, d by dx of cos of log x plus e power x. So first function is cos derivative is minus sine. So minus sine of log x plus e power x is same. Next function log x plus e power x derivative, that is u plus v. So log x derivative is 1 by x plus e power x derivative is e power x. Next, logarithmic differentiation. So logarithmic differentiation is f of x power g of x derivative. So exercise 5.5. First one, y equals to, you take y equals to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. So it is a product of three functions. You can apply UV rule or logarithmic differentiation also. If you have two or more functions, you can apply logarithmic derivative by applying log on both sides. So log y equals to log ABC is log a plus log b plus log c. So log cos x, log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. So now derivative of log y is 1 by y into y derivative is dy by dx. Log cos x is 1 by cos x derivative is minus sin x. Next, log cos 2x is 1 by cos 2x is minus sin 2x into 2x derivative is 2. Similarly, this one by cos 3x into cos 3x is minus sin 3x into 3. So this implies dy by dx equals to y into y is y, cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, and from the whole you can take minus common. So sin by cos x is tan x, 2 tan 2x, 3 tan 3x. Or you can apply UVW, three functions. Next, the second one is y equals to root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3, x minus 4 into x minus 5. Then here, if you apply logarithm on both sides, log y equals to power 1 by 2 outside. And in the numerator, you have to take plus, so log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2. Denominator will get minus because log a by b is log a minus log b. Log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. So now if you take the derivative of log y is 1 by y derivative is dy by dx. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into log x minus 1 derivative is 1 by x minus 1 and x minus 1 derivative is 1. Similarly 1 by x minus 2, 1 by x minus 3, 1 by x minus 4, 1 by x minus 5. So if you write dy by dx, y into what is y? Root x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 into 1 by 2 also you can write outside. And inside bracket 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. So this is the derivative. Next, the third one, y equals to log x power cos x. Log x power cos x. So if you apply log on both sides, log y equals to power cos x outside, and the log of base. Base is again log x. So log y derivative is 1 by y derivative is dy by dx. And this is UV rule, cos x into log x. Log of log x is 1 by log x. Again, next log is 1 by x plus log of log x into cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. So we have to find the derivative. So dy by dx equals to y into. And the y you can replace with log x power cos x into cos x by x log x minus sin x into log of log x. So this is the derivative of log x power cos x. Next, dy by dx of x power x minus 2 power sin x. So you take separate derivatives. U equals to x power x. So log u equals to x log x. So log u derivative is 1 by u derivative is du by dx. So x log x is GV rule, x into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into x derivative is 1. So du by dx equals to x into u into x. U is x power x into x will cancel, so 1 plus log x. Similarly, you can take v equals to 2 power sin x. So 2 power sin x is directly you can find the derivative dv by dx, or you can apply logarithm on both sides. This is the derivative of a power x. So a power x derivative is a power x log a base a is 2. Next, the chain rule sin x derivative is cos x. So this is the derivative of 2 power sin x. So now what you have to find d by dx of first one is u, the second one is v. So d by dx of u minus v is du by dx minus dv by dx. So du by dx already we get that is x power x into 1 plus log x minus dv by dx is 2 power sin x into cos x into log 2 base. So this is the derivative. X plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole power 4. Same here also, if you take log on both sides, log y equals to 2 into log x plus 3 plus 3 into log x plus 4 plus 4 into log x plus 5. So log y derivative 1 by y derivative dy by dx. 2 into log x plus 3 is 1 by x plus 3. So 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. Now from this dy by dx equals to y. What is y? X plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole power 4 into 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 1. This is the derivative. Next, y equals to x plus 1 by x whole power x plus x power 1 plus 1 by x. So you have to find the separate derivative. So you have to take u equals to x plus 1 by x whole power x. So it is equals to, you can write this one x square plus 1 whole power x square plus 1 by x whole power x. So by applying logarithm on both sides, log u equals to power x come outside, and log a by b is log a minus log b minus log x. So log u derivative 1 by u derivative du by dx. So this is UV rule, x into log x square plus 1 is 1 by x square plus 2. Again, derivative of x square is 2x. Or you can directly, you can take it, no problem. Minus log x is 1 by x plus log x square plus 1 minus log x into x derivative is 1. So from this du by dx equals to u into u is x plus 1 by x whole power x. And you multiply this x into, if you take the LCM, x into x square plus 1, 2x into x, 2x square minus x square minus 1, plus log x square plus 1 minus log x, you can write log x square plus 1 by x. So by simplifying this, x plus 1 by x whole power x into, this is x square minus 1, so x into x square minus 1 by, otherwise x get cancelled, so now it is x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log of, and then you can write this one as x plus 1 by x. So let it be 1. Next, the second, v equals to x power 1 plus 1 by x. So log v equals to 1 plus 1 by x into log x. So log v derivative 1 by v derivative dv by dx. 1 plus 1 by x into log x is 1 by x plus log x into 1 plus 1 by x derivative. 1 derivative is 0 minus 1 by x square 1 by x derivative. So if you write dv by dx, so dv by dx equals to v into means x power 1 plus 1 by x. 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. So x plus 1 minus log x whole by x square. This is 2. So from 1 and 2, y equals to u plus v. So dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Du by dx is x plus 1 by x power x into x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log of 1 plus 1 by x. Next, the second one is x plus 1 by x power 1 plus 1 by x into x plus 1 minus log x by x square. So this is the second number. Just you write du by dx plus the dv by dx. Next, the seventh one also same. Y equals to log x power x plus x power log x. You cannot take directly logarithm because there is no formula for log a plus b. You have to take separately. Log x power x equals to u. So log u equals to x into log of base, so log of log x. So log u derivative is 1 by u derivative is du by dx, and right side is u by uv rule. So log of log x is 1 by log x, and log x derivative is 1 by x, plus log of log x into x derivative is 1. So du by dx equals to x cancel u into, so log x power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. Similarly, second one, v equals to x power log x. So by applying log on both sides, log u equals to base power log x into base of log of base log x. So this is log x into log x is nothing but log x whole square. So derivative of log v is 1 by v derivative is dv by dx. X square derivative is 2x, and log x derivative is 1 by x. So from this dv by dx equals to x power log x into 2 log x by x. So again same y equals to u plus v. So implies dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. So replace those two. Log x power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x plus dv by dx is x power log x into 2 log x by x. It one's sin x power x plus sin inverse root x. So it's same u equals to sin x power x. So this implies log u equals to x into log of sin x. Log u derivative 1 by u derivative du by dx. And this is UV rule. So x into log sin x is 1 by sin x. Derivative of sin x by chain rule is cos x plus log sin x into x derivative is 1. So du by dx equals to x sin x power x. X into cos x by sin x is cot x plus log sin x. And the second one v equals to sin inverse root x. And this is direct derivative dy by dx equals to sin inverse x derivative is 1 by root 1 minus x square. So root x whole square. Again chain rule 1 by 2 root x. So this is the derivative of sin inverse root x. So now y equals to u plus v. So implies dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. So du by dx is sin x power x into x cot x plus log sin x plus dv by dx is 1 by 2 into root a into root b is root a. So root x into 1 minus root x whole square is x. Only in single root you can write this one. X power sin x plus sin x power cos x. Then you have to take separate derivative. So u equals to x power sin x. Log u equals to sin x into log x. Log u derivative 1 by u derivative du by dx. Sin x into log x is 1 by x plus log x into sin x is cos x. So du by dx equals to u. U is x power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x into log x. This is du by dx. Similarly, second one v equals to sin x power cos x. So by applying log on both sides, log v equals to cos x into log sin x. Log v derivative 1 by v derivative dv by dx. And this is UV rule. Cos x into log sin x is 1 by sin x derivative is cos x. Plus log sin x into cos x is minus sin x. So from this dv by dx equals to sin x power cos x into cos x by sin x is cot x. So cos x cot x minus sin x into log sin x. So same y equals to u plus v. So implies dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. So du by dx is x power sin x first one. Sin x by x plus cos x into log x. plus second one sin x power cos x, cos x into cot x minus sin x into log of sin x. X power x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Then you let it be y equals to. So first one u equals to x power x cos x. So log u equals to x power cos x, x by x cos x from outside and the log of base log x. So log u is 1 by u derivative is du by dx. So this is the derivative of three functions. So x cos x into log x derivative is 1 by x plus x log x into cos x derivative is minus sin x plus cos x into log x into x derivative is 1. UVW is UV W dash plus U V dash W plus U dash VW. So from this du by dx equals to u into x power x cos x into and xx will cancel here. So this is cos x minus x sin x into log x plus cos x into log x. Next, the second one v equals to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. And this is simply by rule dv by dx equals to x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 derivative 2x minus x square plus 1 into derivative of x square minus 1 is 2x by v square x square minus 1 whole square. So it is equals to 2x to x will cancel minus 2x is minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. So dy by dx equals to same du by dx plus dv by dx. So x power x cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x into log x plus dv by dx is minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. This is second one. Next up, y equals to x cos x whole power x plus x sin x whole power 1 by x. Same you take u equals to x cos x power x. So log u equals to power x from outside log of x cos x. And we can write log AB is the log A plus log B. Or you can take directly also. You can direct derivative. Log u is 1 by u derivative is du by dx. X into log x cos x is 1 by x cos x. Into x cos x is u, x into cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into x derivative is 1 plus second one is log of x cos x into x derivative is 1. So du by dx equals to u into x cos x power x into, so here xx cancel first one. So if you multiply with cos x, 1 by cos x inside the bracket, we get minus x into sin x by cos x is tan x plus cos x by cos x is 1 plus log of x cos x. This is first one. Similarly, second one, v equals to x sin x power 1 by x. So log v equals to 1 by x into log of x sin x. So same u rule you apply. Log v derivative is 1 by v derivative is dv by dx. So 1 by x into log x sin x is 1 by x sin x. Again change same u rule x into sin x is cos x plus sin x u rule. Plus second function is log x sin x into 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. So this implies dv by dx equals to v into v is x sin x power 1 by x into, see here, and 1 by sin x you take inside the bracket, and 1 by x square you can take LCM. So x into cos x by sin x is cos x plus sin x by sin x is 1 minus this is log of x sin x. So this is dv by dx. So then y equals to u plus v. So implies dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. So du by dx is x cos x power x into 1 minus x tan x plus log of x cos x plus the second one x sin x power 1 by x into 1 plus x cot x minus log x sin x by x square. This is the second one, du by dx and dv by dx. Next, solve one. We have to find dy by dx by using x power y plus y power x equals to 1. X power y is one function, y power x is another function, and we cannot apply logarithm on both sides directly because there is no formula for log a plus b. So first we take separate derivatives, x power y. So log u equals to y log x. So log u derivative is 1 by u derivative is du by dx. Y into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into y derivative is du by dx. So du by dx equals to u into x power y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. It will be 1. Second, similarly, y power x, v equals to y power x. So log v equals to x log y. Log v derivative is 1 by v derivative is dv by dx. X into log y is 1 by y derivative is dy by dx. Plus log y into x derivative is 1. So from this dv by dx equals to y power x into x by y into dy by dx plus log y. This is second. So from 1 and 2 u plus v equals to 1. So this implies du by dx plus dv by dx equals to 1 derivative 0. So dv by x into, if you multiply inside the x power y into x power y by x is x power y minus 1 plus x power y into log x into dy by dx plus then x into y power x by y is y power x minus 1 into dy by dx plus y power x into log y equals to 0. We have 2 dy by dx and we have to take common and we have to take remaining terms on the other side, so that we will get minus. So this is y into x power y minus 1 plus last one y power x log y and y and dy by dx if we take common x power y into log x plus x into y power x minus 2. So this is the derivative of x power y plus y power x 1 into dy by dx. Next to 13th one, y power x equals to x power y. Applying log on both sides directly, x into log y equals to y into log x. Applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. X into log y is 1 by y derivative is dy by dx. Plus log y into x derivative is 1 equals to y into log x 1 by x plus log x into y derivative dy by dx. So we write dy by dx terms one side, dy by dx into this is x by y minus log x equals to this is y by x minus log y. So from this dy by dx equals to this is y minus x log y by x, and this is if you take y by x minus y log x. So this is y into y minus x log y by x into x minus y log x. You have to write dy by dx one terms one side and remaining terms on the other side. Next one also same, cos x power y equals to cos y power x. So by applying log on both sides, y into log cos x equals to x into log cos y. So by applying derivative, log y into log cos x is 1 by cos x derivative is minus sin x, plus log cos x into y derivative is dy by dx. Similarly, right side x into log cos y is 1 by cos y derivative is minus sin y, and y derivative is dy by dx. Plus log cos y into x derivative is 1. So write dy by dx comes from left side. So dy by dx into this is log cos x first one, and if you take minus term to left side, minus become plus. Sin by cos is tan y equals to log cos y, and similarly if you take minus term plus y into sin x by cos x is tan x. So from this dy by dx equals to y tan x plus log cos y by x tan y plus log cos x. Xy equals to e power x minus y. So by applying log on both sides, log x plus log y equals to x minus y into log e. Log e value is 1. So this is x minus y. So you can separate y terms one side and x terms one side. Log x, directly you can tell the derivative. Log x minus x equals to log minus y minus log y. So log x derivative 1 by x minus x derivative is 1 minus y minus y derivative is minus dy by dx minus log y is 1 by y derivative is dy by dx. So by taking LCM 1 minus x by x equals to here if you take minus dy by dx common, and you will get y plus 1 by y. So from this dy by dx equals to by taking minus common y into x minus 1 by x into y plus 1. So this is dy by dx. F of x equals to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 8. First to find the f dash of x, otherwise by taking log on both sides, log f of x equals to log 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus x power 4 plus log 1 plus x power 8. So log f of x derivative is 1 by f of x derivative is f dash of x. And the log 1 plus x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x. 1 by 1 plus x square into x square derivative 2x. 1 by 1 plus x power 4, x power 4 derivative is 4x cube. Plus 1 by 1 plus x power 8 into x power 8 is 8x power 7. So we have to find f dash of 1. So first f dash of x equals to f of x. 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 8. 1 by 1 plus x. 2x by 1 plus x square. 4x cubed by 1 plus x power 4. 8x power 7 by 1 plus x power 8. Now put x equal to 1. So in place f dash of 1 equals to 1 plus 1, 2, 2. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 4 by 2, 8 by 2. So 2 power 4 is 16. 1 by 2 plus this is 1, this is 2, this is 4. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 16 into 2, 7, 15 by 2, 8 times. So answer is 120. Next, differentiate x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 in three ways mentioned below by using product rule, expanding product by a single polynomial and logarithmic differentiation. First one, product rule. Product rule means direct UV rule. So dy by dx equals to x square minus 5x plus 8 into dy by dx of x cube is 3x square plus 7 plus x cube plus 7x plus 9 into derivative of x square minus 5x is 2x minus 5. So if you multiply this one, 3x power 4 plus 7x square minus 15x cube minus 35x plus 24x square plus 53. Plus similarly second one, 2x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 14x square minus 35x plus 18x minus 45. By simplifying, what you get? 3x power 4 plus 2x power 4 is 5x power 4 and 15x cube minus 5x cube, so minus 20x cube plus 7x square 24, 31 plus 14, 45x square minus 35 minus 35, 70 plus 15, minus 52x plus 56 minus 45 is 11. So this is the derivative by using the product rule. Next, if you write a single polynomial same second, if you multiply it, you will get x power 5 minus 7x cubed and 5x power 4 x cubed x power 4 by x power 4. Next, x cubed term 7x cubed plus 8x cube. 7x cube plus 8x cube plus 15x cube. Next x square. X square into 9. 9x square minus 35. Minus 35 plus 9. 26. 9x square minus 35x square. So minus 26x square plus x comes 56 minus 55 minus 35 plus 9 minus 35 56x minus 45x 55 56 plus 11x. Next a constant 72. So dy by dx equals to x power 5 is 5x power 4. X power 4 is 4x cube. 4 into 5 is 20x cube. Plus 3 into 15, 45x square. Minus 52x plus 11. Constant derivative 0. So you get the same answer. So like this, logarithmic differentiation also by applying norm and x related. So log y equals to log of x square minus 5x plus 8 plus log of x cube plus 7x plus 9. So derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx equals to y into x square minus 5x is 2x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 8 plus 3x square plus 7 by x cube plus 7x plus 9. If you multiply with y, as usual, again from the first one, as the first one, we will get the first answer. So like this, we will get it.